Welcome back, new review. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is returning stronger than ever, carrying a reputation that few pickups in the world can match. For decades, the Hilux has stood as a symbol of toughness, reliability, and endurance. Now Toyota is preparing to write its next chapter. The new Hilux has been spotted testing in Thailand, giving us the clearest look yet at what's coming. Toyota has chosen a very deliberate strategy for this generation. Rather than creating something entirely new, the company has refined what already works. This is an evolution built on proven strength with improvements in design, technology, and efficiency to meet modern expectations. Although Toyota has not announced the official pricing, automotive experts predict that the 2026 Hilux will remain competitively priced within the midsize pickup category. The goal is clear: to maintain the perfect balance between premium quality and everyday practicality. That formula has been the key to the Hilux's success for years. It is a truck for everyone, from families who value durability to business owners and professionals who depend on dependable power. In regions such as Australia, Asia, and South America, the Hilux has earned a loyal following for its unmatched strength, towing capability, and long-term reliability. With this latest generation, Toyota aims to continue that global legacy while offering more comfort, technology, and refinement than ever before. In terms of exterior design, the 2026 Hilux makes a bold impression without losing its rugged spirit. The front fascia now features sharper headlights that project a more confident and modern face. A new honeycomb-style grille adds presence and emphasizes the truck's bold character. At the rear, the redesigned tailgate proudly carries an embossed Toyota logo, while the new C-shaped taillights give it a more sophisticated and contemporary look. These design updates do not erase the Hilux's identity. Instead, they enhance its visual strength while making it look more refined and ready for any challenge. Under the hood, Toyota continues to focus on engines known for their endurance and proven reliability. The main power unit remains the 2.8-liter turbocharged four-cylinder diesel engine, now equipped with Toyota's V-Active mild hybrid system. This setup enhances fuel economy and ensures smoother acceleration, adding efficiency without compromising toughness. Depending on regional markets, Toyota will also offer the Hilux with a 2.4-liter diesel engine and a 2.7-liter petrol engine, while some rivals such as the Ford Ranger or Volkswagen Amarok use six-cylinder engines with higher horsepower. Toyota's philosophy remains focused on real-world performance, easy maintenance, and long-lasting strength. Step inside, and the 2026 Hilux feels more premium than ever. The cabin has been redesigned with higher quality materials and a more ergonomic layout. The new 12.3-inch infotainment system replaces the older 8-inch unit, bringing a more advanced and user-friendly interface. The dashboard design takes inspiration from the latest Toyota Prado, offering a cleaner and more modern appearance. Everything inside has been built to make every drive, from daily commutes to demanding workdays, and more comfortable and effortless. The official debut of the 2026 Toyota Hilux is expected before the end of this year in Thailand, followed by global sales starting in early 2026. It stands as a confident reminder that true strength does not need to shout. The Hilux continues to be a truck built on trust, resilience, and the power to endure.